Hello, today I'm going to go over how to create a Python script. All right, so now we are going to make use of ChatGPT, of AI model. So as I mentioned in videos before, we don't need to know about coding, everything about coding. What we're going to do, we're just going to use prompts to create our baseline of whatever we want. And today, what I'm going to create is a booking appointment app. So anytime that I need an appointment, I will go to my app and create my own appointments. Okay, so let's go ahead. So what you're going to need are a few different things. First, you need to install Python. Python needs to be installed in your machine, in your laptop, right? So just quickly, I can show you. This is the you go to the python.org and install Python from there. Download and install in your machine. So then you're also going to need a IDE. So the IDE is very important. So IDE is basically the interpreter that you're going to need to create your codes, to edit your codes, and also to run your codes. So, and I brought here from askpython.com website 5 top best IDEs for Python. So PyCharm is the most popular one, as you can see here. Then Sublime Text, VS Code, this is the one that I use. I've used PyCharm as well. It's very good too, but I love VS Code. It's much better. Atom Editor and Vim Editor. So those are the top 5 according to this website. Now let's go back and talk about the ChatGPT. I'm using ChatGPT Python, which is this one here. So Python by Nicholas Baker, right? So now we don't need, as I mentioned, we don't need to invent the wheel. So here is the prompt, that I wanted to create, that I'm using to create my Python script, the baseline of my Python script. So I'm just going to copy here, right? And I'm going to paste in the prompt line on ChatGPT. So run it, and what we're gonna have, you'll see in a few minutes, what we're gonna have is the first, it's project the breakdown of the Python script, right? The tag implementation, and at the end it's going to start writing the code for you, right? So as you can see, it projects the Python code for you. The breakdown, we use the flow, admin panel, tag implementation, backend implementation plan. Would you like to start template? Yes, I do. I can generate a Streamlit based prototype. So that's exactly what we are doing. We are doing Streamlit interpretation, right? Streamlit based, which is a Python library. So now I'm going to say, yes, please provide the entire code. And then it should give us the code. Yeah, so now we're going to have the entire code on the right hand side here. And that's going to serve as our baseline. So I say baseline because this is not the final product. You're going to be evolving in a conversation with ChatGPT and eventually adding your own code, right? So that's how you learn. That's how you gather all the information with the help of AI model, which is very smart to do. All right, here's our code. So this what we're going to be doing, we're going to go to the IDE, which is the Visual Studio, and we're going to copy it in here. So like I said, I'm not going to lose time copying in here because I already have it. So all I'm going to do is to run the code. So if you look at up top, it's the code right here, right? It's the entire code, and I call it smart-booking.py. That's the file name. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, and this is the final product. Again, I already work on this, creating more features, more information, download part. And so this is the final product. Now let's go ahead and run it. When you run a Streamlight library code, you need to do this: Streamlight, right? Run, and then the name of your file, which is smartbooking.py, right? Let's run it. Here we go. Here we have our app with all the fields as a final product. Okay, so we have fields about the person who is booking, right? Your name, your email, the subject of the meeting, of the appointment, the invites, the invitees. You're gonna have all the people that needs to be invited. Select a service. What kind of appointment is that? You can put any on your Python code. I put only these four: consultation, pet obsession, business meeting, or medical checkup, right? And then select the date. It gives you the whole calendar window. And then the select time. Every 15 minutes in the range of 24 hours, right? And then the button book appointment, right? View appointment, or a view appointment, show our appointment, or save appointments to Word. This one will save the appointment to, and it will download for us. And here you can cancel the appointment, okay? So, and the appointment name, the appointment has a ID as a number from 1 to whatever appointment you have. You can cancel from here, okay? So, no further ado, let's have the appointment made. So I'm gonna put my name. I'm gonna put an email. Oops, sorry. Okay, subject of the appointment, sales meeting. And then invitees, I'm gonna put someone else. So it's going to be a business meeting. It's going to be a Friday the 27th of February of 9 a.m. Okay? So I'm going to book the appointment. Your appointment has been booked successfully. Show all appointment. This is the last one that I just did for you guys, and those are the other ones that I did before. So let's go ahead and cancel some of them. The ID numbers, we cancel by ID. So enter appointment number. I'm gonna cancel this one. Now appointment 2. Now appointment 3. Now I'm gonna show all the appointment again. I have the 2 and I have the 4, right? Cancel another one. Show appointment. Oh, number 2 is not canceled. Maybe because it's already saved down below. Anyway, so this is how you do it. Save appointment to Word, and I believe it should be put on a download here. But anyways, that's how you create any app using Python with the help of AI model. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for staying until here. In the description, you'll find links for the website that we covered and to the Python code for you to download. If you found this helpful, please share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again. Please don't forget, be aware and be safe.